Book of Heaven, Volume 12, October 12th, 1920. For one who lives in the divine will, her help is Jesus alone, and she must be the help of others. I was feeling very oppressed, all alone, without even the hope of receiving a word of help, of reassurance. Be it even holy people, it seems to me that if they come to me, they want help, comforts, or to rid themselves of doubts. But for me, nothing. So while I felt in this state, my always lovable Jesus told me,
"My daughter, one who lives in my will, is placed in my same conditions. Suppose that I might have need of creatures, which cannot be, since creatures are not capable of being able to help the Creator. It would be as if the sun wanted to ask for light and heat from other created things. What would they say? They would all draw back and confused would say to it, 'What? You are asking for light and heat from us? You who fill the world with your light and fecundate the whole earth with your heat. Our light disappears before you. You rather give us light and heat.' So it happens to one who lives in my will. Being placed in my conditions and the son of my volition being in her, she is the one who must give light, warming, helping, reassuring, comforting. So I alone am your help, and you from within my will help others."
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring His kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.